In the door, I could have sworn I've seen your face before. So glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by tonight? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to hold. All those little
Hey you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. And we are at the chapel. We're in Sedona at the Chapel on the Hill?
Chapel of the Holy Cross.
Chapel of the Holy Cross. There, we're going to go up and look inside that chapel up there.
And show you the rest of Sedona.
Okay, we're making our way up to the chapel here. And we just got to ride up this steep hill from this gentleman here in his golf cart. But these two rocks right here are outcroppings. Those are the praying hands. They call it praying hands. It looks like a couple hands like putting their praying up, to God. And then right next to it, the kind of shorter one to the left there, that's a mom holding her baby, or Mary holding Jesus right there. So yeah.
So the two big ones to the right were the praying hands, right?
Yeah. And then
the third one, like from to the center one, is Mary
holding Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful day. Supposed to be I think a high of 75 here today, where it's going to be like 92 or 3 in Phoenix. So yeah, all right, let's go up to the chapel. Heck, I don't want to shut the camera off. It's beautiful. So I'll show you guys the walk up here. Yeah, absolutely stunning. I'm looking out over Sedona here. There's a mansion down there. Okay, there's the chapel coming up here. Hi. Okay, tell us about this chapel.
Okay, well, it's a Roman Catholic chapel, and it's built on a cliff wall of 250 feet high. No, excuse me. Yeah, it was built 250 feet high. The cliff was 1,000 feet, and it was built in 1956, which I had no idea was so old. So it's pretty cool. And that's really, there's a gift shop, and it's open for pilgrimage, and that's really all they said.
Do they hold services here?
They hold services, and I know you can. I think you can reserve for weddings too.
I'll bet.
But wait in advance.
All right, let's go check it out. Okay, they have prayer services and
Really looking for the real thing,
pretty neat. We'll just walk right up here. How about that? Beautiful. Quiet in here. Yep, something else.
Let's go.
Go down to the gift shop, check it out.
No.
Okay. Where'd she go?
Who are you gonna tell?
Okay. Oh,
There's the full story.
there's the full story, yeah. Yeah, okay. A lot of people in there praying, I guess. Just soaking up some peace.
Did you guys get a picture of this behind me?
Okay, so the guy who built this lived in New York and was watching the New York, the Empire State Building being built. And when he saw this and looking at it a certain way in the rock, it looked like a cross was there. So he had it just kind of was on his mind. It was kind of just sit there simmering in his brain for quite a while. And then finally started building it. Figured this was the place to build.
Okay, cool. Let's go check.
Let me just get a picture of you.
Okay. Yeah. Views everywhere. That one right there is called Bell Rock. It's kind of in the shape of a bell. Can't see it, but bear is right down there behind those trees, by those outhouses. Okay.
I forgot the simplicity of the inside. It just makes it more beautiful than what it is. Even more beautiful.
Inside here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
inside the church. It's just so simple. With really no decorations except for the one large Jesus on the cross and a couple tapestries hanging down. Very pretty.
Yep. Okay, let's go see Sedona. Okay, guys, we're stopping for lunch. There are so many high-end places, if you can imagine, in Sedona. We found this. We love Mama Pop's, the Coffee Pot Restaurant. Breakfast and lunch. Home of 101 omelets. Let's go see it. Lisa's already in there. I forgot to grab the camera. What'd you get?
Patty melt with fries.
Yeah, those fries look good.
And nice curly fries.
I got BLT with chips and a pickle. Look at this place quick, guys. This is old time Sedona. Beautiful. How was that?
Oh, I enjoyed mine. Mine was good. The patty melt was good.
Yeah, mine was okay. They used my BLT. They used butter instead
Batter,
of
really cheap mayonnaise.
Yeah, or cheap rather than Miracle Whip or mayonnaise. But anyway, now we're gonna go see what other trouble we can get into. Okay, what is this place?
This is a Tlaquepaque, just a place.
Tlaquepaque.
Yeah.
That's how you pronounce that.
Yeah. Some restaurants and lots of art shops. Some little gift shops.
Kind of like an old town. Look at the stop, I guess. Whoop. Okay. Yeah, so lots of just kind of a cool feel to it, cool vibe. Very cool. Yeah, this is a very cool place. Very cool. Been to Sedona a few times, but never have stopped in here. Better not lose Lisa. Okay, we got an old Mexican chapel. Gimbal's going crazy on me. Wow. That is beautiful. I'm sure they probably hold weddings in there too.
Probably.
Yeah. I just want to get this entrance. Look at this entrance here. This is a bookstore upstairs. They kind of just built it right around these trees. This is cool. Very cool. What a cool place. Yeah, like I said, I've been to Sedona many times over the years. Never have stopped in here. Check out these not wind chimes, but look at these things. Little breeze today.
All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his plan. Giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just had passed me by the night? We keep on drinking, keep on wishing for someone out there to love. All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time.
Okay, how do you pronounce that again?
Tlaquepaque.
Tlaquepaque. Okay.
You've never been to Tlaquepaque before?
No, I don't think I have. But anyway, what a good day in Sedona. We love you guys. We're gonna wrap this up here. Drive back to Phoenix. We love you. Hit that notification bell and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share this with a like-minded person. We'll see you
Our next adventure.
in a few days.